my channel 1,007. Today I have another video for you. Accidentally I had to go to make this video. Last night I was doing my night shift duty. While using my eyeglass, it broke. It was a magnetic eyeglass. This is the one I'm talking. The other piece I have in my room. So now I'm going to fix this as a wearable glass. Before I'm going to fix this and show you the idea, innovative way to turning the broken into wearable. While performing last night my duty, this eyeglass was broke and I threw it in the dustbin in the office. Whole night I had to suffer. I had to write down. It was very difficult for me to write down because this was just a reading glass for me and it was helping for me for more than a year. In the morning, it was time to time out and suddenly strike on my mind, why not I use that broken into wearable? And thinking over it, the idea clicked in my mind. I went back to the dustbin. I picked up the glass. Luckily it was there. It was not cleared by the cleaning guy. I brought it to my room and now I will show you how to fix this into a wearable glass for you. If you have a glass like this, you can use the method or you can use your own ideas to make it wearable again, saving the money of buying the next reading glass. Let's go and see the idea for you to share everyone. Thank you for being the channel. Thank you for your support. Please like, shares and comments. Keep commenting. Love you all. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Here is the two pieces of the eyeglass. I need to fix this and make it into wearable. Now I cannot use this. I can't use for reading because it doesn't balance. It falls off. So this is a magnetic glass. There is a magnet here. There's a magnet here. But need is the most important point is I need to fix this part, the back part. So let's fix it. First, I will try to cut this part so that exactly this part will curve this part so that I can rest this part on my door. So this one I have already cut. You can see, as you can see, I have already cut this part. Now I need to fix this part. And then, let's see if it works out the idea. Things needed to fix the broken reading eyeglass. So, wearable reading eyeglass. Number 1, we need knife to cut out the handles of the glass. Number 2, we need silicone eyeglass straps which are easily available in the local market. You can choose the standard of the quality of the silicone eyeglass strap as you like. And third, lastly, we need the broken reading eyeglass. Take the broken eyeglass and measure the length of the handle and mark the switchable point of the handle to cut out the part. Before marking, must check the handle the position of layout on your ear, and then you can mark with your finger, and then you can use the glass put down on the board wooden platform, and then use a knife to cut out that marked area. Note: while cutting out the handle with a knife, safety is concerned. Please take care of your hands while cutting out the handle. After cutting out the handle, try to break it. If it doesn't break, you need to use the knife a little more, and then try to use your thumb and forefinger of both the hands and give a little pressure. It will break exactly at the cutting point. Now the glasses is ready to get fixed. Before we fix it, we will open the silicone trap which is in the packet, and then we will try to fix the silicone strap the two ends of the reading glass handle. Take the eyeglass strap in your hand. Hold the one end. It looks like a halo at the end of the strap. We need to insert one end handle of the eyeglass into that hollow part of the strap. While inserting the handle into the hollow of the silicone end point of the strap, we need to twist the silicone clockwise and pressure the handle inside. Likewise, the handle will go inside the silicone strap hollow part and it will get tightened up. And then try to repeat the process with the other end of the eyeglass handle and the other end of the silicone strap. Hooray! The readable glass is ultimately at the end fixed. From broken reading eye glass to renewable